Which of the following is true? On average, neural networks have high computational rate rather than conventional computer. Neural networks learn by neural network mimic the way human brain. All are correct. What is true regarding backpropagation rule? All the above is correct. Error is in output. There is a feedback in final stage of propagation. Is wrong. In auto-associative network is a neural network that consists feedback. A three-input neuron has weight 1, 4, and 3. The transfer function is linear with constant of proportionality being equal to 3. The inputs are 4, 8, and 5. What will be the output? 153. Which of the following is true regarding backpropagation rule? Actual output is determined by a computing output unit for hidden layer. What is backpropagation? It is the transmission of error through network to allow weight to be adjusted so that the neural network can learn. The general limitation of backpropagation rule is all the above: scaling, slow convergence, local minima problem. What is the meaning of generalized in statement backpropagation is generalized delta rule? Because delta rule can be extended to hidden layer unit. Neural networks are complex dash function with many parameter linear function. The general tasks that are performed with backpropagation algorithm is all the above: pattern mapping, prediction, functional approximation. Backpropagation is learning based gradient descent along a error surface. Is true. In backpropagation rule, how to stop learning process? On the basis of average gradient rule, we can stop learning process. Application of neural network. All are the application of neural network. Sales forecasting, data validation, risk management. The network that involves backward link from output to input hidden layer is known as recurrent neural network.